We are on our way to the coast. We are on a hike I haven't taken before. I've taken several hikes and taken many road trips along the coast of Bodega Bay, but this is a new trail to me, and one of the reasons it's new to me is because I have Shorty with me today. This is a pet-friendly trail, and I'm gonna give it a try. You can see I am also layered up, and it's July. One thing to know about Bodega Bay is one, it gets windy, and two, it stays pretty cool. There are a few things to be aware of on this trail. One to note is that there are many stairs you'll need to descend into the gulch to reach the beach, with many stairs also required to return to the top. Second, you'll also want to periodically check yourself for ticks. Third, pets are required to remain on a leash at all times. Finally, I would not recommend this trail after it rains, as the steps could become dangerous and very slippery. It's also not a bad idea to pack some beach shoes. We made it down to the beach, and for the most part, we have it all to ourselves. If you're gonna walk the beaches of Bodega Bay, especially this particular trail, it's Pinnacle Gulch. You definitely wanna come here when it's low tide, because some of the area I'm walking in right now would be completely impassable right now. You will be stuck. So I do recommend that you check the tide table before coming down here in particular. And before I forget, this is Shorty's first time to the beach. Yay! What do you think, buddy? You like the beach? On my last video, I went to San Francisco to Lombard Street, and I was hoping to get some aerial footage just to discover that my drone was broken. I brought my new drone, but didn't bring the cable to connect it. This is the second time I'm not able to get aerial footage. This is gonna be my drone's maiden launch too. Boo for me, again. I don't see any sea lions out today or any whales in the distance, because if that were the case, I would be really pissed off at myself. Although I was disappointed I couldn't launch my drone, it was still a blessing in the end because it let me capture these beautiful moments with my rescue dog. Seeing his toes in the sand and nose sniffing the sea air is something